AI in cybersecurity is at the forefront of defending digital environments against an ever-growing array of threats. The combination of advanced intelligence and machine learning algorithms has revolutionized the way we protect our systems and data. AI-driven threat detection systems continuously monitor network traffic, user behavior, and system logs, analyzing vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies. These systems can detect known threats as well as emerging ones, enabling organizations to respond quickly and effectively to mitigate risks. Anomaly detection is a powerful AI technique that helps identify deviations from normal patterns, allowing for the early detection of potential security breaches. By learning from historical data and system behavior, AI algorithms can recognize abnormal activities and alert security teams to investigate further. AI-based authentication and access control solutions provide enhanced security measures. Biometric authentication, behavioral analysis, and multi-factor authentication are some of the AI-powered techniques employed to verify user identities and prevent unauthorized access. Incident response in the realm of cybersecurity is significantly enhanced by AI. Intelligent algorithms can automatically analyze security incidents, assess their severity, and recommend appropriate response actions. This expedites incident handling and reduces response times, minimizing the impact of security breaches. Predictive analytics leverages AI algorithms to analyze historical data and identify potential future threats. By spotting patterns, correlations, and trends, AI can predict possible attack vectors and vulnerabilities, enabling organizations to proactively fortify their defenses. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into the advancements in AI-driven cybersecurity solutions. We will explore topics such as AI-powered malware detection, adaptive defense mechanisms, and intelligent threat hunting techniques. These insights will provide you with valuable knowledge and strategies to protect your digital assets. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on AI-driven cybersecurity. Don't miss out on these invaluable AI insights that are shaping the future of digital security. Thank you for watching and joining us on this enlightening journey into the realm of AI and cybersecurity.